Rice is one of the most popular foods in the world, but can you cook it perfectly every time? Sometimes it is hard, especially if you don't know the technique. To answer your questions and help you make the perfect rice, we selected the best tips to cook it. Let's check them out. Not washing your rice. If you don't wash your rice, you are already doing it wrong. First, wash it in cold water to remove the excess starch. Use a strainer or rice colander, or if you don't have anything, put the rice in a pot and carefully pour water over it, doing it until the water comes out clean. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. Too much or too little water. The proportion of water to rice is essential if you want your recipe to go right. If you put in too much water, the grains will overcook and get all mushy. Add too little water and your rice doesn't cook properly and may even burn. So write it down, 2 parts of water to 1 of rice. Add cold water during cooking. Sometimes you really need to add some extra water while your rice cooks. Make sure that it is boiling water, never cold or at room temperature. The thermal shock hinders the cooking process. Stirring the rice while cooking. Unless you are making risotto, don't stir your rice while it cooks. It hinders the process and makes the rice lose water. Then you will have to add more of it and risk getting your rice all mushy. Not respecting the rest time. The resting time is essential for rice. Like with pasta, the rest period makes the grain reach the perfect consistency without burning. Turn off the heat a little before your rice is fully cooked. Then close the pan with the lid and let it rest for 5 minutes. Use a fork to fluff the rice before serving to break the lumps and separate the grains. It also helps distribute the humidity and ensure your rice isn't too dry on top and too wet underneath. And it is done! If you want the rice to be the main dish, add some peanuts, chives, parsley, almond slices, or anything else you want. Bon appetit! Now tell us, did you make any of these mistakes before? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.